First day in the NextGen D7 LGP has been bloody good. It's a fantastic machine, super comfy, pushes well. We just spent a couple of hours putting the ice spikes on it. So got all the mounts and spikes in, run through some tests and got into it. Bloody fantastic, so much goodies in here. Heaps of lights. The heated wipers are going to be good. It's got a aftermarket diesel heater in the engine bay that we can set to come on in the morning, so we don't need to plug generators into it anymore. The reverse camera and all the gauges are fantastic on this. The cabin is so comfy, next level. Absolutely stoked.